Hello, welcome to my watercolor gathering today. I'm really happy you joined me, and I hope this helps you in your watercolor journey. Here are both of the moon and earth paintings, multimedia paintings I just completed. First of all, on a 4x6 140-pound cold press paper, I did a background with the Viviva watercolors. Some of them were metallic. And then I drew some doodles, lines and sort of wavy lines, and then filled it in, and then colored in the, it's almost a Zentangle with gold and silver felt tip. Then on two pieces of acid-free black cardstock, I laid out the cut-out pieces of watercolor paper just to see how they would fit nicely on both sheets of paper. Then I used the base of a glass to make the circle for the moon. And then I used some metallic, gold metallic paint, acrylic paint, and filled in the moon. Once I had the moon completed and it was dry, I started using Elmer's glue to collage the pieces of watercolor paper onto the black cardstock. Just being careful not to put too much glue on, and then I used the end of a paintbrush just to tap it down. And you have to keep going back and tapping it down on either ends to make sure that it adheres to the cardstock. And then I repeated all of the steps for the second 5x7 multimedia piece. And then using an Artist Loft script liner, very fine, I used Paynes Grey, tube consistency Paynes Grey, to paint in the form of a tree, which kind of resembles the tree of life. So I painted in the trunk and then the branches. And then I continued at the bottom part on top of the watercolor paper and put in the roots of the tree. And when I was putting in the roots of the tree, I put the roots in so they looked like they were behind the metallic part of the doodle or the Zentangle. So, and then they go down like one or two sheets of watercolor paper down in the patterns. And then here are the two finished Moon and Earth multimedia collages. Hope you enjoyed this and hopefully it was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Leave any comments that you might have below. Thanks a lot for joining me.